and welcome to LNS Peripherals 101. As part of LNS's product offering, we also offer a variety of accessories that can enhance the performance of your LNS chip conveyor. One such device is the air header assembly, which helps to remove fine chips that can stick to the conveyor belt. In this video, we will demonstrate how to retrofit an air header assembly to your existing LNS chip conveyor.
The air header assembly comes in multiple sections. Firstly, install the spray bar as shown. This uses a single M6 screw to lock it to the discharge. Next, attach the mounting bracket for the solenoid to the conveyor leg. Then attach the solenoid assembly to the bracket using the lock nut as shown. And then attach the air hose to the spray bar. Locking it in place. Attach the adjusting knob to regulate the air pressure and connect the electrical cable that controls the solenoid valve. Air header is ready to use.
Thank you for watching this episode of LNS Peripherals 101. I hope it has helped you increase your machine tool efficiency. If you have any questions about any LNS products or if you'd like us to consider other video topics in the future, please let us know.